Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, many iPhone users and Android users are facing that their Cash App is down and not working because of some issues and they don't know how to get rid of these down issues of Cash App. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix server down Cash App issue. So our step number 1 is check internet connection. Internet connection issue could cause Cash App crashing. You will need a good internet for Cash App to perform a secure transaction. You can turn on and off aeroplane mode to solve network problem, or you can switch to another strong internet to try use the application again. Then our step number 2 is reopen Cash App. Sometimes the problem is just caused by a temporary bug in the app. It's happen when you don't exit Cash App properly after using it and after using it and the app is still occupying the space in the background. By forcing quieting the application and reopening it, it's likely that the problem could be fixed. Then our step number 3 is restart your iPhone. Another quick fix to cache app errors is to restart your iPhone. In most cases, restarting the device could eradicate random bugs causing on your iPhone, which might cover cache app issues also. So for restarting your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After applying these all methods and you are still facing that same issue, then try last solution, reset your iPhone settings. You may have a knowledge change a setting that is causing your cache app that the app is down or not working. To see if this is in the case, you must reset all settings on your iPhone. This will not delete any of your data but will reset all settings to their factor default. For reset all settings of your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.